today we have a brand new software update for this little guy. So one of the first things that I do when I get a new software update, I also check and make sure that there is no update for the DJI Fly app. So depending on what platform you are using, go to your app store and go to the search section and then search for DJI Fly. And once you're here, you see this application made by DJI, and if yours says open, it means you're on the latest version. But if it says update, make sure you update your DJI Fly app. I think there was an update a few days ago, but I already updated mine. And at the same time, if you go back here, you can see the version history and what they fixed. So it seems like this time around they released a new firmware update for the DJI Neo, but no update for the DJI Fly software application. So if you're up to date, or if you've downloaded and you're up to date on the DJI Fly app, one of the first things I do is turn on the DJI Neo. You just press and then you press and hold, and the drone comes on just like that. It's pretty easy. And now we can open our DJI Fly app and see what the new firmware has to offer. Once you're on the home page, if you give it a few seconds just like this, you'll see that there's a new DJI Neo firmware version, and the update size comes in at 253.08 megabytes. These updates are pretty much the same size. Even the previous was around 250-ish megabytes. And you can see for this new firmware update for the Neo, they've fixed some issues right there, and it says optimized positioning performance and fixed some unknown issues. And I wish DJI would really specify what those unknown issues are that they've fixed. But with the Neo, they fixed positioning performance. Before I update, there were some issues that I want to demonstrate that I was experiencing before with the DJI Neo. So in order to check if that's so, I'll go to the helix mode right here, select 20 meters, and then I usually record voice with the DJI Neo right there. So I'll select the helix mode, and then my microphone, you see right there, it's going to be on. So let me quickly start the helix mode and then see, so that I can show you what happens with this mode. So 3, 2, and the drone is just zooming out right now, and it's just began recording. And you can see with this helix mode, the drone is going around. And this, I'll try put the audio of the DJI Neo application that's coming from the device itself, so that you can see how it sounds. And apparently there's been an update when it comes to the microphone quality when you're using the DJI Neo to do custom modes like this. And right here you can see it's actually finished the flight and it's returning back. If you can show it up there, you see there. One of the things I wish DJI would include, it would be nice to have the drone continuously record as it comes down just like this. And you can see how the helix went this time around. It seems to be a hit and miss with the DJI Neo, where I sometimes lose I get like shaky footage. And then another mode I was experiencing issues with is boomerang. So I'll go here and then go to control and then boomerang. 3, 2, 1. This is before the update. You see the drone hasn't started recording yet. It's gonna zoom out and then it's gonna start to move around. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't hit some branches, because you see it right there, right? Yeah, so now it's gonna like boom, it just started recording, and you can see it going up. Yeah, let's see if it will miss some branches. Oh my god, it hit some branches. Okay, let's go. And this is the boomerang mode. Let me know which mode you like best. Do you like helix or boomerang? And these modes are actually pretty cool. So boomerang, the drone zooms out. I don't like the fact that it's just started recording now. It would be cool to have the drone record the moment it just leaves my palm. And you can see there goes the drone, and it's doing this boomerang mode. This time around, it seems to be actually pretty stable. And let me know what you think about the voice quality of the DJI Neo. Of course, if I bring the microphone closer to me like this, it's probably going to be much better in terms of quality. And it's just completed the boomerang, and right now the drone is about to return back where it took off. So That's the boomerang mode before the update, and already I think the drone has just returned just like this. Hey, why are you not landing, man? Okay, maybe when they say the positioning fix that this update fixes, could be that, because you notice it wasn't landing. And this is actually not the first time this has happened before. And the last mode I was having issues with is the direction track. So direction track, I'll set it to far and then elevation high like this. And then if I go to the controls, let's do quick direction track. 3, 2, 1. Boom. I like how it starts to record right away using this direction track. And so if I go this way, I like how it's able to track me without mixing the two of us. Actually, this is pretty good. So if I go this way, the drone goes this. Hey, go this way, man. So this would turn into follow mode, which, you know, I guess I need to walk towards the drone. Let's see if I go this way and then go this way. Yeah, now, man, this is not pretty good. I want it to be like straight ahead with me. Seems like I almost have to walk towards the drone, and then if I'm turning side to side, it's hard to get the drone to turn. So those are just some of the issues I was experiencing before the firmware or the software update. And if I go this way, you know, it's gonna turn into follow mode right here. So what are you doing, man? Okay, let's go. So this is direction track before the update, and this is how it looks. And now if I stop and put my hand out, it should be able to sense that I put my hand out like this. And now it's gonna come towards me.
Landing.
Come on. Okay, the landing is not smooth. So that's what's happening currently. So now I'm gonna go to the home section right here, and then I'm gonna go to the firmware update page right here, and then you see where it says the install update on the DJI Neo. I'll start downloading it, and I'm actually using cell connection. So let's see how fast that's actually going to be. Is it gonna be fast or slow? It's actually not too bad. 6%, 9%, 10%, and then you can click there, of course, to get the progress screen just like this. This is the DJI Neo version 01.00.0300. So it just came out a few hours ago, and I'm just updating to it right now. From what I've seen, there doesn't seem to be any issues introduced by this firmware version. Sometimes I hold off on updating to a new firmware version the moment it comes out. So hopefully this one fixes most of the issues, and it's actually downloading pretty fast over cellular. So let's quickly finish this download, and then we're gonna see if the voice recording has been improved with the DJI Neo, and at the same time we're gonna check and see if the direction track and the positioning performance, like DJI mentions, has been improved as well. Okay, my drone just restarted. You can see it's installing the update right now. It restarts itself at around about 95%, and you can see right there it says installing. So let me just give it a few seconds for it to just complete. The downloading process actually didn't take so long. That was maybe about 4 to 5 minutes, and you can see installation complete and the new firmware is ready to go. So I'll click OK right here. New firmware, DJI Neo firmware update successful, and if you click on it, it will show you the firmware version and what had been updated. So I'll click OK right now, and then if we go to the Fly section right here, I have the microphone, of course, turned on, and now I'm gonna do the direction track since it seemed to have some issues. So I'm gonna go here and then click start.
3, 2, 1.
See, it's locked, focused on me, and boom, it's just started recording direction track on me. And this is far direction track, of course, that you're seeing right here. And now let's see if I go towards the drone. Seems to be better, I guess. Oh, if I go this way, it goes, okay, the turn, oh, I like this. And then if I go like this way, if I go this way too, It seems to be, oh my goodness, the direction track now seems to be more sensitive, at least for now. So if I wanted to go this way, how come it's not? Okay, let me try that again. I'll make the drone, I'll follow the drone, and then I'll go this way. If I go this way. Okay, so I think I'm getting the gist of it. It seems to be more sensitive now to the direction tracking. And now if I use the audio that you are listening to right now, it's coming from the DJI Neo. And yeah, now direction track is like really sensitive for some reason. So I wish also DJI would review what some of those issues that have been resolved are actually, but yeah, this is how the new direction track mode looks. It seems like you have to be going more like this. And if I want to like make it follow me, I just turn around like this, and then the direction track turns into follow mode. So this is the DJI Neo, and the audio you are listening to, I'm going to try and make it the DJI Neo, although, you know, from my experience, because I use a wireless audio, it's not the best. So yeah, this is the new direction track and the audio. And now if I want to take the drone straight on, because like this, the sun is facing me, so technically my voice should be better than if I walk in a straight line. This is how direction track looks. I think it's actually much better. And then if I do like a small micro turn, you can see how that goes. If there's a stop sign or something and I want to avoid it, I can do like this. Then if I want to go this way, I can do like this. Okay. I think it's better in terms of positioning, although it seems more sensitive. So the turns that I do have to be pretty minor. So this is the DJI Neo, and I like the connection with my mobile device. Even though I have 2 bars, it seems to be pretty solid as well. So let me quickly now just do like a quick follow mode, because the update is complete, and then we'll see how follow mode with 2 people is going to look with this DJI Neo. I wish DJI would review what some of those unknown issues that it has resolved are, so that we, the users, can see. Okay, I will select.
Landing.
Okay, let's see if it lands better. Okay, I like that. It now lands better. You know, in the previous mode, it was almost trying to run away. But now, I guess that's it. Let's just do like a last follow mode, and then we'll see how the drone holds up. So, yeah, I think it's following me now. Boom. Yeah. I'm doing like a donut. Do you think it's good? I think it's doing pretty well, as long as it doesn't get us confused, right? Okay, we can go this way, I guess. When there's no more traffic, we can go to the right? Yeah. I don't know if you can see the drone, but yeah, it's right behind me. And I'm doing the medium distance and high elevation with the DJI Neo. Yeah. Boom. Let's see if it misses these signs. Yeah, it actually missed those signs, which is cool. Boom, boom. Hey, I'm crossing, man. Yo, let's go, man. This is the follow mode after the update. You can come forward and see if it's gonna confuse the 2 of us. Now I'm approaching a place where there's some branches and stuff. Let's see if it's gonna be able to bypass these. Hello. Oh wow, it's managing. Oh man, come besides me, let's see how it manages. I wanna see if it like mixes the 2 of us or something. Okay. Did it mix us? No, it's managed to keep up, which is pretty good. Yeah. I think it's doing pretty well, right? Yeah. The dog is gonna chase after us because of... Yeah. It's right there behind us. as we go. I think the follow mode is pretty good, right? Yeah, some donuts. Anyways, I think that's it. I'm done. Let's see how it lands.
Landing.
Oh, the landing is much better, you know? Yeah, so peace.